How to enable See Dashboard option on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device over here and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on your profile again. So here you can see there's no option of See Dashboard option over here. Now this is generally because your account is a private account over here. It's not a professional account. So the See Dashboard option is only available when you have a professional account. Now to turn into professional account, all you need to do is just go back and then tap on your profile again and then tap on the three dotted lines over here. As you do that, here you can see the option of turn on professional mode at the bottom of the screen. So tap on it. Then tap on turn on again. And as you do that, tap on continue. And you can just link and set a profile. If not, you can just skip this for now and do it later. And you can go back and refresh the page. And here you can see the option of See Dashboard. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.